You've read the title, you know the plot, so straight into it. Number 1, the sticky note. Enter the Fusion tab on a Fusion composition or on any clip in the timeline. Use the shortcut Shift plus space and search for the sticky note node. Not a node with inputs or outputs in the regular way, just a way for you to keep track of the logical and efficient node trees I'm sure you're creating. Number 2, the dissolve and switch nodes. These are your way of having multiple inputs and producing just one output of one or the other. The dissolve node does this, letting you fade transition or blend between two inputs. The switch node lets you have as many inputs as you need and switch the one that's going out. You could use the dissolve node to blend between two different states of a graphic, like this, or the switch node to create a reusable graphic, renaming each of the inputs, making elements such as an icon like this swappable between preset options. It is worth noting you can also connect this switch node up in the middle of shape nodes and it will turn purple to work inside that setup too. As with any of these nodes, if you want an in-depth tutorial, let me know in the comments below. Number 3, the underlay. Another organizational tool placed underneath any nodes. It allows you to group sections of your node tree, move them as one and color code them into something potentially slightly easier to understand. Number 4, the surface tracker. Whether it's tracking a logo onto some moving clothing or just any awkwardly unflat surface to track and overlay on, this node is just what you need. It is only on the studio version of DaVinci Resolve, so to keep this quick, select the points that you want to create a tracking area, move to the Mesh tab and then to the Tracking tab, and select this. Connect the thing that you want to overlay on the tracked area to the green triangle and tweak as you need. Number 5, Video Collage. This is another doing what it says on the tin, an all-in-one solution for interactively creating an animatable video collage. Switch the workflow to create tile, set up these global settings, then switch to the Tiles tab and choose your active tile for that clip. Repeat this for each tile, you've got animation options and much more. This is also available in the Edit tab as an effect. Number 6, the wireless link. This node allows you to take the output of any node and wirelessly place that somewhere else in the node tree, helping to prevent some of that crisscross wiring you can get. Pretty simple, really. Number 7, Optical Flow. Now this is definitely one of those super interesting and unheard of features of DaVinci Resolve. It isn't actually a node, so breaking the rules of this video somewhat, but it's more than worth the mention. In the Edit tab, if you slow a video down for that slow-mo effect without recording in a high frame rate, you'll get a choppy look like this. But no more. Just go to the Inspector tab with the clip selected, expand Retime and Scaling, set Retime Process to Optical Flow, and the Motion Estimation to the best option that you have available. For studio users, that'll be the AI Speed Warp. For free users, that'll be the Enhanced Better. Now you can get those clips as slow as you like in post, as DaVinci Resolve is filling in the missing frames to keep you with a smooth video. Number 8, Plasma. This is a bit of a fun one really. The Plasma node lets you generate these super interesting backgrounds. Add some preturb to the 4 center values, mix up the seeds for some random movement, and you have something interesting. A bit of scale and tweaks to the color, and then you've got something nice and unique. You can also use that Plasma node as a mask input for a background node, changing the color of the whole effect to something you like a bit easier. A lot of that may well have made absolutely no sense to you, but go and have a play with it, muck around with the options, and I might make a full video explaining some of those concepts too soon. Number 9, Letterbox. If you're hunting for those cinematic bars in a super quick and easy solution, then this is it. Nothing much more to say. Pop it in the node tree, choose your desired level of cinematic with this height option, and sleep easy knowing your footage looks 100 times better already. Number 10, the Delta keyer. This is the ultimate and little shown solution for accurate green screening in DaVinci Resolve. I'll go over the basics here, but with a bit of practice, this node is the way to take those awkwardly inconsistent green screen backgrounds and make them work all the same. Start off by selecting the solid color here with the eyedropper tool. Configure these settings, specifically the threshold and erode/dilate, to get something nice. You can also go further with the fringe and tuning options, but even with those first few tabs alone, this is the most consistent and customizable green screening option in DaVinci Resolve I've found so far.